Welcome everyone, I'm Begonia from Simply Health. I am going to show you today how to freeze cauliflower so you keep the most nutrients and it stays fresh in your freezer for months at a time. Let's get to it. First, make sure you cut it into small pieces like this. We want to wash the cauliflower. In a large pot, add water at the bottom, then add your foldable steamer. Cover the pot and you bring the water to a boil. Add the cauliflower quickly, but carefully. Make sure you only steam for 3 minutes. We want the cauliflower to stay firm. Pour it into very cold water. We're going to leave this here in this cold water for another 3 minutes or so. Now lay the cauliflower in a single layer tray and put it in your freezer for about an hour or up to 2. So we are in our last step. I froze the cauliflower for about an hour and now they're ready to store. So I use these reusable freezer bags. These are great. You can wash them and use them many times as opposed to having to buy new freezer bags all the time. So it's definitely more convenient and it's definitely cheaper. These will last a good 6 months in the freezer. All you do when you're ready to use the cauliflower is get it out of the freezer, put it overnight in the refrigerator, then just use the cauliflower like you normally would. You can steam it, you can roast it, you can fry it. You can even put it in the microwave in a bowl with a little bit of water and high heat for about 90 seconds and you'll have cauliflower done as well. So this is ready. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers to your health.